Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix something went wrong. Please try again later on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you're facing a this time issue or any kind of try again later issues, let's see how can you easily fix that. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back and try to relaunch your Instagram app. So it will help you to prevent your issue. After that, you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or try to connect with a stable and the strongest Wi-Fi network. And after that, you can also try to enable that CPU airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that, then go back from here and open your app store. You have to simply search for Instagram and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app and after updating, go back from here and try to make up for restart your iPhone. Not do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to simply unlock your phone, and here you have to retry or relaunch your Instagram app, and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app here, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. If you're still facing the same issues, there's the only way. You just have to go back, keep a long press on your Instagram app, and then tap on remove app. Select delete app, and you have to simply tap on delete to completely uninstall Instagram app from your iPhone or any other Android. And after that, you have to simply reinstall it from your App Store or Play Store. And after reinstallation, you'll not get the issue because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app. It will be fixing this step, and after that, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.